You've probably heard people talk a lot about the graphical user interface improvements here and how things are just smoother, and they are indeed smoother. A couple ways that you'll see that: if you were to take something like the zoom tool here and you want to just zoom in on a photo, you can click and drag, and that's not new, but the way it zooms in is better. It's just kind of a little bit more animated. You can also use your zoom tool and have an animated zoom by clicking and dragging, and you'll see what happens. See how that works? And then if we hold down the Option or Alt key and then you click, you see what happens? Alright, so you're getting this animated zoom feel. Also, there is this flick panning that they call it. So if I were to click on here and zoom in, and then I decide that I want to pan across my image, I can hold down the spacebar key, which is our shortcut to the hand tool. And as I click and I drag, watch what happens. I'm going to click, drag, and I let go. It's hard to see here because it probably looks like I'm still continuing to click and drag, but I'll tell you as I do it, all right? I'm going to click and drag and let go. Click, drag, let go. And the faster you click and drag, whoosh, whoosh. All right, so it's going all over the place. They call it flick panning, but it's just kind of like it's using some kind of like tossing physics, and you'll see it. It eventually slows down, and the faster you drag, the faster it goes. If that annoys you and you want to turn it off, you can go up to the Photoshop menu, go down to Preferences on the Mac. If you're on a PC, just go to Edit menu and go down to your Preferences. And inside there, you can turn on and off the flick panning as well as the animated zoom. And that requires a little bit more of your graphics processor. So if you find things are maybe slowing down a little bit, it could be a good idea to come inside here and turn these off as well.